morning. I am long the E-Mini S&P 500 futures right now. As you can see, the market has moved lower after it pretty much filled the gap. Right, this is where it closed yesterday. Filled the gap pretty much to the tick and sold off. I believe we're at a level now where we should move up minimum to the 38.2 of the day's down move up until this point. So this is going to be a small trade. Again, looking to take profits. Got a very small position too. Just looking to take a small trade back up to 2089 and a half roughly. So I'll be back as this. All right, I am back, and look, it looks like we've an outside pattern. We've got an outside pattern, an engulfing pattern, right? Look at, we took out the low. Let me just take this out quick. I don't know if I want to take profits that quick. I'm going to watch this a little closer. I had my profit target at 2090 and a half. I'm going to watch this very closely now. We've got an engulfing pattern, open and close in the top third, which I see as at least short-term bullish. We should push higher. Push higher from here. So I don't want to limit my profit target to there. I want to watch it a little closer. I want to see how far we can run. If we can, I mean, this bar, we should be able to take out the high of the last bar, which is 2089. We should take that out rather soon. If we're not, then I have to wonder. But let's just watch this real quick here. Okay, now we're on the high of the last bar. Let's see if we can push through. All about patience. Let's see. We push through here. Here we go. Pushing through. 89 and a quarter. Remember, I had my first profit target at 89 and a half. Here we go. 89 and a half, 89 and 3/4 we actually hit. Now the question remains, should I have left that profit target in and just been out of 4? Or did I do the right thing? Now we are at a, the trend of the day is down, right? The trend of the day is down, but I'm expecting just a small bounce. And originally I did say the 38.2, which we did hit. Let's just see where this bar closes. Again, a very small trade. Let's see what we can pick up here. I'm thinking maybe I should go back in. Let's go at 89 and 3/4, the high of the bar. Look at this. Let's see if it's going back down now. Well, let's just go 89 and a half. Let's go back to the original target. See if we're lucky enough to get back up there. Let's see if I did the right thing. It's getting close. Let's see if we can bang our heads on that a little bit. Take some off the table. All right, that ended up being a mistake. I pulled that order because I thought maybe it would go higher because I was looking at this dinky little bar here, and that was the wrong thing to do. I would have been out of most of the position. So that is a good lesson to learn, to go with your first instinct. I knew that when I bought this market that the first area it would go to, and we'd probably get and hit support or resistance, it was at 38.2. And we did. In fact, this was a selling opportunity, and I didn't do anything. I didn't take profits. I should have taken the profits at minimum, and I should have been looking to sell it in here, right? The trend of the day is down. So that was definitely a mistake. So that's a lesson to be learned. All right, I am back again, and my convictions are high that we are going to go a bit higher. So look at the market came back down, took out the low marginally, added to that position, thinking we're going higher. I've got my profit target here. As you can see, the red horizontal line to take me out of 3/4 of that position. Then I'll try working the remaining 3. Again, good lesson learned that you gotta go with your first instinct. My first profit target was right in here. All right, so that would have been a winning trade. Then I would have been putting another trade on down here anyways. So good lesson. Let's see what happens. All right, let's see if this is the final push up. All right, let's see if we can take out that last 3-minute bar. I think we go much higher. Well, how much is much higher, I'm not sure. I would say it would probably come back to the 38.2, at least touch and get us out of 3/4 of the current position. I'll be back as things play out. Here we go. We are came within one tick. Taking us out of 3/4 of the position. Let's see if, and this market is not moving today, huh? Dropped off. Nice run to the downside. We're consolidating here at the bottom. Be interesting to see if we break up and move higher, or if we break through the lows. If we break through the lows of the day, I think we go a lot lower as well. But who knows? Let's see. Boy, getting awfully close now. Here we go.
Order filled.
There we go. So what do? We locked in 3 1/4. We've got 3 left. So we closed out 3 1/4. We've got 3 left, as you can see here in the matrix. So what we need to do is we need to move this lower, right? Move the contracts down to 3 and see if we can run. Next level we're looking at is this prior high, the 289 3/4. I'm going to watch this closely here, and I'll be back. All right, I am back again, and look at this long tail down. Try to retest the low of the day. I gotta believe this market's moving higher. It looks like it. I mean, it doesn't want to move lower anymore. It doesn't seem right. So I'm just going to keep this position and see if we can break up a little bit more. If we can't, then I'm just going to exit this trade altogether. And it looks like it wants to move higher, huh? We're testing this high here. 86 3/4, 88 3/4. Look at 89. Here we go. We're starting to break. 89, 89 1/4. This high up here is 89 3/4. Oh, come on, look at it backing and filling again. Okay, I'm getting impatient. So I'm going to go ahead and just take this off. Let's give it about 30 more seconds. All right, I am just going to be exiting right now, getting impatient. So let's sell 3 of these off.
Order filled.
There we go. So in the E-Mini S&P 500 today so far, up $662. If you recall earlier today, it made $1,250 in the YM. So almost at 2,000 for today. I will record more if I see them. Let's see if this market continues moving up, moves higher. I anticipate we will continue moving higher. I definitely think the market will retest this high, and we'll see if we can completely reverse today. All right, hope that helps.